Can't Kill Me is the title, I believe.
That's right, yeah. So,
You know something about it?
well, like I said, they've just completed. You know, like with Teen Charts series complete game. They've done that, and now they're going to be working on a few things. Like I said, I've come here more as a guest, you know, and
Yeah,
to
I know
support
you
them.
won't
So,
know the details.
so you know, don't know too much about the details, but I'm here
Right.
to just be part of their occasion and their function, and you know, maybe support them in some way.
Right. So, on your acting front and direction front,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
So well, on my acting front is that there are one web show that is Tanav that's going to release very soon. I'm in the second season, not a very big part, but I was there in the first season. But there was a continuation of my character in the second season, so that is there. Apart from that, there are films that I'm. One film was just released down south, Shivam Baji.
Yeah, Shivam Baji.
That was just released. I'm working on two more films which will go on Flow. And then I'm also working on two films which are going to be under my production.
Huh?
But it's
Hindi?
Yeah. So scripting is happening. There I'm close to making the first draft, and then once the script is ready, then the narrations will start. I don't see it happen very soon, but in the next 2-3 months, I think it'll be ready for narrations. So that's when I'll probably start my production. Hopefully, my way end of this year or maybe next year early.
Your son looks so handsome.
Thank you.
Is he got some? And the show was so good.
Yeah, it was a little different. It was like
very nice.
Yeah, his approach
and all
was.
of you all supported him so much, and I mean, we came to know so many good things
Right.
through him. So, what kind of intuition does he have to? Is he got an inclination towards direction, acting, or an assimilation or love because of the family? You know,
I
acting,
think right
direction
now
and
he's
everything.
just developing himself and learning, and honing his skills. Working on himself, whether it's his physical appearance, his language, his diction, so that I'm sure he wants to join this line. There's no question about it, and probably would make his foray into acting. But it's still early days.
Right.
There's still a little time for him. Yeah.
Exactly. And lately we attended that Angry Young thing,
Yeah.
Both of them have come together. It's such a good rejuvenation
Right.
for the, the doyens of the industry, the writers.
Right.
What do you have to say?
Well,
That
I
day we
think it's a
couldn't meet.
great tribute to these great erstwhile writers who've done such
Yeah.
excellent work in their careers and probably changed the landscape of Indian filmmaking and film writing. So the fact that a series which is obviously done with the right intent, with the right, I would say the fact that both the families as a production house doing this was a great tribute to their fathers in each way, from their side and our side, and I think people have appreciated it a lot. They've got to know a lot of things that apart from the kind of body of work that they've done as people, as personalities, how to survive in an industry, sometimes how convinced you are about your work and how you stand by your work and what decisions you make. I think that's also a learning thing, because it's not just okay, Salim Javed have written these films and they came in this era and they did well. It's not about that. It's about their personalities, and I think that is, and about them as people, which has also resonated well with with the audience.
This generation,
Yeah.
they resonated so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
There was a huge crowd when this thing was shown. इवन सलीम साहब और जावेद साहब कह रहे थे कि हम वापस कुछ नया करने वाले हैं. I hope.
I'm sure they would love to, and whether it happens, I'm not too sure. But yeah, they have that intent. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Lastly,
Yeah.
How do you look at your life now?
I'm very.
New.
I'm absolutely fine. I'm good on my personal front. I'm good. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. God bless you.